Hello everyone, welcome to my video series project, Tech Talk with Finn. And today, this time, I'm going to introduce you to my super favorite technology tool, that is Bitmoji. And I use Bitmoji a lot, and you can see this is my Bitmoji. Do you think it's similar to my face? Well, yeah, it was created when my hair was shorter and my cheek was a bit thinner. All right, then I will start introducing you to Bitmoji. So in this video, I will explain to you how to install Bitmoji on your cell phone. So you can prepare your cell phone or you can also use your tablet. But when I'm demonstrating this, I'm using my Android-based device. But if you are using iOS-based device, I think it's not really different with Android. All right, then. So first thing first, I'm going to share the screen to my tablet. So this is the screen to my tablet. You can see even on my tablet, I'm using Bitmoji. And then, let's see if you can see this clearly. I will have to put it in full screen. All right, so it's clearer now. Go to Play Store and then type Bitmoji. And you will see that one, Bitmoji, your personal emoji, and then you start installing it. Okay, when you've done installing it, we can start to unlock the super fun activity, creating your own Bitmoji. So first thing first, you can create your avatar here. You can write, this is my birthday. Oh, I'm old, you know my age now. All right. And then your image, the email address. Let's see. I'm going to use my UPI email address. And my password. Okay, now we are signing up. Save it. All right then. So you can just pick whether you are a female or a male. I will pick female. And the easiest way to create your Bitmoji is by doing selfie. But actually, if you want to go through the creation one by one without doing selfie, you can just skip it and click continue. Sorry, skip it. And if you want to start with the selfie, then you can click continue. Let's see. While using this app, all right. And let's see. Oh, my screen mirror cannot record this. Okay, now you can see my screen because I'm using a screen mirror. So I cannot show when the activity when I did the selfie, but then this is the result. So when I did the selfie, then Bitmoji can identify the face and then the eyeglasses. I think I don't have to change my eyeglasses. And then the tone of my skin, the color of my hair, and so on. But I still can change. Let's see, for example, you can see their skin tone, and then you can change the skin tone. But I think it's okay with me, my skin tone. And then look at the hair color. Actually, my hair color is a bit brown, so I would pick this one. All right. And then just play around with this arrow, the arrow, hair color, hairstyle. I think the hairstyle is okay. No, my hair is longer. Hair treatment. I'm going to have a bit of highlights there. And then eye shape, we can start with the eye shape. I think it's okay with my eye shape. And then eyelashes, I don't have any eyelashes, so I will just skip it. And eye size, the medium one is okay. eye spacing, I will just keep it. Eye color, I will just keep it. Eyebrow color, the nose. Let's see. Mhm. That one is too big for me. Which one is better? Well, sometimes it takes time to find the best features of our own face. Or some of my friend mentioned that our Bitmoji character should look better than the real one. So it's up to you how you are going to create your Bitmoji. I don't really like my chubby face, so I'm going to make it a bit um, mm, 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 like this, I guess. And then the face shape, I wish I'm thinner, but that's not good. All right, this one is okay. Mouth, put the one ears. I will just skip this. Cheek line, and then forehead lines, eye lines. Everything is here. And now the body. What's my body size? Do I have to be this big? I don't want to. I will just pretend that I am thinner. Okay. So if you are here, then we just can go on the chest side, just move on. Eyeshadow, the color, blush on, lipstick. I don't wear makeup, so I will just skip this. I'm happy with my glasses. It's exactly the same with mine. Headwear, I'm not going to use it. Outfit, I want to look casual. How about dark one? Whoa, isn't it cool? Or this one? No. You can also pick one by one. Like for example, you want the, how do you want it? Just the shirt. Let's change the shirt, and then the trousers. I like black trousers. How about that? Okay, and then shoes. I'll go for this, and even your socks and jacket. I don't like the jacket. I want to look more sporty. How about this or this one? Okay, so this one doesn't go with the shirt. Let's just wear the black. I love black very much. All right then. And if you're happy with this, and just click save. All right then. So now your Bitmoji is ready. And then you can have your avatar here. You can change your look, and then you can also have your keyboard down there. And if you want to look at the variation of Bitmoji, go to sticker. It might take a little while, and you can see here are your Bitmoji. You can put it in your WhatsApp, in Telegram, in Facebook, in Google Slide, in Google Class, in your learning management system, wherever you want to put your Bitmoji. Isn't it fun? Okay, I want to look at yours too. So that's all for this video, and thank you.